This is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq, apartment 202, here in Eagan, Minnesota, 55123. Today it's June 1st, 2016. And as we come in, we can see the kitchen right away. Lots of nice cabinets. We'll pan to the living room, dining room. Living room, dining room now is about 24 by 12. And everything is actually bigger in person than in the video, but the video always makes it look a little smaller. And there's the door we just came in, fire extinguisher and your door panel to let people in. Into the refrigerator. We're going to pan out here a little bit so you can see the kitchen. This living room, dining room. There's a closet for some clothes. This closet, by the way, is about 8 feet by 2 feet. Standard closet, shelf, bar. Look at the inside of some of these appliances. Everything is nice and clean. All the shelves are intact. Stove is a flat top, ceramic top. Everything clean, almost like brand new. Microwave, clean. Kitchen sink, clean. Dishwasher, clean. Even under the kitchen sink. It's not all falling apart like you see at some places. So that's the kitchen. Now we're going to come and look at the bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. So this is the first bedroom. It's the smallest one. It's about 8 by 10 with a closet. And the closet, once again, is about a little over 6 feet by 2 feet deep. Pretty standard closet. The master bedroom is about 11 by 12. Mini blinds on the window overlooking the rest of the complex and a small park. Once again, a 6 foot, actually it's about 8 feet wide by 2 feet deep closet. Pretty standard. There's the washer and dryer. We'll take a look at that in a minute. This is the 3rd bedroom. Mini blinds on the window again. Overlooking the park. And this room is about 9 by 13, and then add on another 2 feet for the closet. Toilet, jacuzzi tub. Everything is clean. There's your vanity. Ceramic tile floors. And that's the washer and dryer again. Compact size. And as I come back out to the living room, dining room, we'll take another view out over this balcony. This is a non-smoking unit, so if you do need to smoke, it's in the balcony that you need to do it. And that is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq apartment 202, here in Eagan, Minnesota, 55123 on the 1st of June, 2016.